So got this little Mini here, got the faults for the light system controls. Nothing's working, so no indicators, no hazards, no indicators. Oh, just turn the ignition on. So ignition's on, no indicators, no lights, no main beam. We've also got no front windows working, rear ones are working. So this is quite a common fault on these. It's actually the footwell module that lives behind that panel there. So we're going to pull it out and have a look, see if we can repair it. So this is the module still in place. This is where it lives. So by here all the panels been removed. Everything on this car has been wiped down and sanitised before working on it. So back at the Mini now, modules all been repaired and back in place, just need to put it all back together. So let's put the key in and try it. So the ignition on. Ignition on. No more warning messages. We have indicators working, or hazards working, and indicators working. Lights all working as they should do. We've now got main beam working. Let's check the windows. And voila. On driver's window. So I've just got to put all this trim back together now, get it all done. So if you ever have this problem on a BMW or a Mini and you're in the Wrexham or surrounding areas, give me a ring, I can sort it out for you. Thanks for watching.